unattended bags or suspicious behavior. Do not accept packages or other items from strangers.
I'm in my room in my Airbnb, and I'm waiting to hear from Colonel Rahel about tonight's dinner plan. I messaged him earlier and haven't gotten a response to the question, where is dinner and when is dinner? It's about 5 p.m. If I don't hear anything, I'll probably just eat dinner on my own or with my travel buddy. I put a Facebook message to the Sacramento Afghan crew. If anybody wanted to share their story or just sit and chat, then let me know. There were many people at Fort Bliss camp who wanted to come to Sacramento, and I'm curious about who I know from there that made it to this beautiful city. I'd like to sit and chat with them. Tomorrow is the Eid festival. I know when and where that is, so that's gonna be a go for sure. I just got an update from the colonel and the dinner has been canceled. They're gonna go out for hookah around 8 or 9, and he's going to message me with the address once they decide where they're going. I ordered some DoorDash from Halal Brothers, so I'm gonna be eating some falafel. And I don't know, I might just stay in tonight. Tomorrow's the event, the official event that I got invited to. But I was kind of hoping to be able to sit with the team tonight over dinner and just be able to talk about the event, whereas tomorrow it's probably going to be pretty hectic and not easy to get to talk to people that much, but that's okay. I enjoy Sacramento and I'm gonna have fun nonetheless, and I'm gonna go eat dinner by myself. Last night, I was drifting off to sleep, and I was awakened by a text that said something like, just finished, no hanging out tonight, something. I don't remember. I'll post the picture. And then the next text was something like, we're getting to the school early tomorrow, and I've asked volunteers to be there at 9. Okay, and? Just jumping in to add that I said I'd be there around 1 or 2. I have and had absolutely no intention to still go. Give him a message explaining how such disrespectful treatment and blatant lie has put me off to any further communication with him. I don't know if he was expecting that I was gonna volunteer to set up. He never communicated anything like that. And if he did, that he would let me know at midnight what time to be there is a little bit ridiculous. I've decided that this person is not a resource for me. So this isn't gonna be a wasted trip though. There's a cute little downtown I'm gonna go visit. Then tonight I'm gonna take a red eye to DC. What Gurdwara do you like to go to here?
I go to Roseville. Honestly, I live by the area though.
Okay, is it far?
But from my house, not that far because I live close to the Roseville. You have got a lot of knowledge about that.
I was born Christian.
Okay, you converted
in 2017.
Okay, that's fine. Everybody, that's why everybody have their own choice.
How long have you lived in Sacramento?
I moved in 2017 for 6 years.
Okay, cool.
I do go to Phoenix because I drive truck. When I drive truck, so I go to Texas. We always drive by from the Phoenix.
You have to stop by and say hi. I also drive a truck sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Semi?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
want you to do me in a couple days. Yeah, you can have all this. Salam. How are you? I see your flag here. Are you guys from Afghanistan? Yeah. Cool. All right.
Yes. Today let's just do what's the
Cool. Do you guys like Sacramento?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's black color, it's blue color.
Has business been good today? That's cool. That's so pretty. Thank you so much. So today I just have more evidence that God really puts you in the right place at the right time. Or we live in a simulation. Plans got messed up a little bit for today. I wasn't sure what I was gonna do. I had an Uber driver just take me to a random restaurant downtown. I ended up having a nice conversation with him. I saw that there was a spring festival, so instead of going into the restaurant, I decided to just walk around. He saw an Afghan flag flying under a tent, and I went, and it was 2 little girls and they were doing henna. I have some video of that. Here's the finished product. Their sponsor came and sat and talked with me for a bit. She's with a church organization here and she's sponsoring the little girls. I don't know if they're with family or if it's just they two, but they seem very happy and cheerful, and that was the best encounter that I could have wished for, and it happened here like completely randomly. I was actually thinking about not even leaving the Airbnb today and just going straight to the airport, but that would have been a big mistake. Let's see what happens next. You guys, I don't know, it's karma or fate or something, but I just found another awesome thing, and that is seals. I belong to like all of the seal groups on Facebook. I love seals. I had no idea that they would be here, but there's some sunning themselves on a dock, and I just saw one swim by, which is so cool. Like, I'm in awe of nature and happenstance. I'm so happy right now. And I'm so glad I didn't go to that event. Wow, you guys, what a day. It started off with me forgetting to take my towel to the bathroom and drying off with the shower curtain and toilet paper, which worked out, to stumbling upon a tattoo shop and memorializing the henna that I got. So shout out to Jose at Waterfront Tattoo. That place is awesome. He did an amazing job. Halfway through, I realized that he was using black ink instead of red ink, which you can't really fix. That wasn't his fault at all, but we worked it out. It's going to be an amazing tattoo when it heals, and it's going to let me remember always this very blessed and awesome day. Off to DC.